Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to blur video in CapCut PC. So as you can see right here, I've already set up my own video and added it right here because it's going to take time. But in your case, just log in with your account and then click upload and then upload your video or photo that you want to edit on CapCut. Now, if I wanted to add the blur, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see right here many tools that I have right here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down right here and you're going to see effects. Click on it, and basically what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just go ahead and see the many effects that's been provided by CapCut. So I'm going to just search in the effects right here. Basically I'm going to just type blur or something like that, right? So you're going to see I already typed it. So basically I'm going to just go ahead and click on it, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this blur to this video, and you're going to be able to see the video will be blurred. All right, and after you finish, hit export at the top right. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.